Did you know that AMC's stock price has fluctuated wildly, gaining over 200% in a single year and then dropping just as fast? It's a roller coaster ride that has investors both excited and nervous. So, what does this mean for you in 2024? Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into AMC stock and what you absolutely need to know before making any investment decisions in 2024. With the market shifting and AMC navigating some tricky waters, it's crucial to have the right information in your corner. Presentation of problem/challenge. So, let's talk about the challenges AMC is currently facing. First off, we've got market volatility. The markets have been unpredictable lately, and AMC stock often feels the brunt of that. One minute it's soaring, and the next, it's in a free fall. Next up is competition. Streaming services have changed the game for theaters, and AMC has to compete with not just other cinema chains but also the convenience of at-home viewing. And let's not forget about investor sentiment. While some see AMC as a potential goldmine, others are skeptical. If you're thinking about buying into AMC, you definitely need to be aware of these hurdles. Exploration/development. Now, let's get into some key factors that are influencing AMC stock. For starters, we have to look at the recent earnings reports. They've shown a mixed bag. Some quarters have exceeded expectations, while others have fallen short. This inconsistency can make investors nervous. Then, there are industry trends to consider. The resurgence of moviegoing post-pandemic is a double-edged sword. While attendance is up, many theaters are still struggling to return to pre-pandemic levels. Plus, any news related to upcoming blockbuster releases can create buzz around AMC stock, either positively or negatively. Keeping an eye on these trends is essential for anyone looking to invest. Climax/key moment. So, what's the bottom line for AMC's prospects in 2024? Many experts are weighing in, and the consensus seems to be that while there is potential for growth, it comes with significant risks. Some analysts predict that AMC could bounce back if it can adapt to the changing landscape of film distribution and continue to innovate. However, there's also caution. A lot of people are advising investors to tread lightly. The most critical insight? Do your homework. It's not just about the stock price, it's about the future of the company and the industry as a whole. Conclusion/summary. To wrap this up, we've covered a lot today. AMC is facing some tough challenges, from market volatility to fierce competition, and there are key factors that could influence its stock in the coming year. Remember, thorough research is essential before making any investment decisions regarding AMC stock. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on AMC's future? Are you feeling bullish or bearish about it? Drop your comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights on stocks and investing strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.